Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove an Audi Q5 steering wheel. Begin by disconnecting the battery and waiting several minutes to discharge the airbag system. Remove the trim panels, gently using plastic pry tools to avoid scratching. Keep fasteners organized and label connectors to simplify reassembly. Work in a clean, well-lit area and consult the vehicle manual for torque specs and safety notes before reinstalling components. Start by accessing the rear of the steering wheel to release the airbag clips safely. Carefully support the airbag module as you separate the connectors and place the module face up on a soft surface. Remove the steering wheel center trim to reveal the mounting bolts and electrical connectors. Keep track of small clips and screws and photograph each step to ensure accurate reassembly later on. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long DIY tasks with the Owala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits most cup holders, making it perfect for garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Mark alignment before unbolting to maintain steering wheel centering and safety. Remove the central nut while keeping the wheel steady, then gently use a puller tool if needed to free the wheel from the column. Check for any hidden connectors, such as horn or paddle shifter wiring before full removal. Store the steering wheel in a clean, secure place and inspect the column for wear or debris prior to installing a replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.